Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite chocolate chip cookies. The first thing I'm going to do is melt 2 sticks of butter in a frying pan on medium heat. This is actually the secret ingredient and it's a game changer. It makes the cookies so chewy and so delicious. Now you're going to cook the butter on low heat until it is a really nice light golden color, so just for about a few minutes. Once it starts looking like this, then you're going to turn off the heat and just let it sit there so it can cool down a bit. In a separate mixing bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add 3/4 cups of light brown sugar and 3/4 cups of regular white sugar. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and the butter. Then I'm going to mix on low speed until it's fully combined, so about 2-3 minutes. Once it's mixed, I'm going to add 2 large eggs plus 1 egg yolk. Now I'm going to start adding the dry ingredients. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now we're going to start adding the flour. We're going to use a total of 2.5 cups of flour, but we're going to add 1/2 cup at a time and mix in between. And now I'm gonna go ahead and scrape the edges. Okay, now that the cookie dough is ready, we're gonna go ahead and add the chocolate chips. So I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and then 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips. You can add more if you like it more sweet. Now we're going to gently fold these in. Using an ice cream scooper, I'm going to go ahead and scoop each cookie onto the baking sheet, and I like doing 6 cookies per sheet. And now I'm going to place a few chocolate chips on top of each cookie so that once they are baked, they look really, really good. Once this is complete, I'm going to go ahead and place them in the freezer for about 10 minutes until they are hard, and then I'm going to stick them in the oven. You're going to preheat the oven to 375 and place them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes depending on your oven. Once they are ready, they should look something like this, and oh my god, you guys, they are so delicious. You need to try making them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like and comment. Bye!